Hi everyone, thought I'd take you for a little walk around a coppice. Coppicing is where you can cut these branches down and then they grow back. This is a sort of willow. Not been much coppicing lately, but you can see there has been coppicing in the past where they cut branches off and use them for a number of reasons. As you can see, Obi loves it here, bless him. So yeah, and that is called a coppice wood. You could use those for anything. They're mostly straight, all sorts of sizes, and when you get further in, you can see there's different types of willow that's here. So this here is a different sort of willow altogether, and what a beautiful colour as well, absolutely beautiful. So we'll keep walking round, see what else. That there is a white oak. That's a traditional oak tree, and with the green willow behind it, it looks quite lovely. Obi, this way. Good boy. That way. And then down here we have orange willow. And you can see that's been coppiced quite a bit, and I would imagine baskets made of that are really beautiful. Really beautiful. You can actually see them going all the way down the path, which is really lovely. Just got to watch my step down here now because it's a bit slippery and I don't want to slip over. And if I do slip over, I'll carry on recording so you can all have a giggle at my expense. And then when we get round this corner, carefully, past that lovely orange willow, I think there's a different colour willow as well. So we'll have a look, see if there is or there isn't. This is right beside the woods where I normally go. See that little expanse of grass there? Obi! And then we got a different colour willow. This is more yellowy, and this has been, you can see this has been coppiced like that. So someone's made some really pretty baskets out of that. Wouldn't mind having a go at that myself, a bit of basket weaving. I've never done it. I've done flower arranging, which is quite nice, but I've never done basket weaving. And then we're coming to orange willow, which again, it's quite beautiful because you've got like greeny purpley willow, and right behind it is a beautiful orange one, and these go all the way up there. But if you look at those, they're quite red at the top, so I bet they make really beautiful baskets or whatever they're making with them. I bet they're really lovely. It's quite a lovely little walk. It's only a few minutes, but it just adds a bit of time and excitement to Obi's walk around the woods. If you check back over my other videos, you'll see the woods that I walk around. And It's really good for your mental health to be doing this. So anyway, I've got some dog poo to pick up as always, and I will see you soon. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.